Hey guys, this is Jed over at George Gee Cadillac Kia here in Coeur. It is a beautiful sunny day finally. I think spring and summer is here. This is the very first video for my new channel, and I wanted to cover the topic of the lifetime warranty that we offer or include here at George Gee Cadillac Kia. There has been, after talking with some guests of mine a week or so ago, they had some misconceptions that they had gotten from other dealerships, from other salespeople, and I just wanted to clear all that up so you have it straight from our mouth. When you're out talking and looking at other vehicles, we don't always have the opportunity to be like, oh, wait, no, that's not true, it does cover this, or it doesn't do that. You just kind of have to take those other dealerships and other salespeople for what they say. And I'm not saying they're lying, they might just not know, or it might just be inaccurate. So let's take a few minutes, I'll cover it, let's get started. All right, so I mentioned in the intro that it covers all of our new vehicles and most of our pre-owned vehicles. In order to be covered by the warranty, it's simple. It has to meet two requirements: under or newer than 5 model years. So in this case, it is 2014 and up, and it has to have under 100,000 miles at the time of purchase. So that covers nearly every vehicle that we have on the lot. There's a few exceptions, but not many. And so, for instance, I'm sitting in it's a 2017 GMC Sierra. So this has, from the manufacturer, a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper wrap or comprehensive warranty, and then it has a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Well, this currently has 72,000 miles on it, so it is completely out of both warranties. Except for now you have the Gee lifetime warranty. It's taking that manufacturer's powertrain warranty and it's extending it out for as long as you own the vehicle, unlimited time, unlimited miles. So on a vehicle like this, it's obviously been a work truck. It's been driven. It's a 17 and has quite a few miles for being a 17, but that is still covered for the duration that you own the vehicle. Which, show me another company. I'm sure there are some, but not many, that will put their name, their reputation, and their wallet behind the used vehicles that they sell. The next thing that I heard was that, oh, you have to get your service done there at the dealership. Oh, it's only good if you get your service done at the dealership. Hey, that's simply not true. We would love to have your service work. In fact, that is part of the program. It's meant to help drive our service customers, but you are not obligated to have your service done at George Gee. You're welcome to have your oil changed at Jiffy Lube or another dealership, or if you're out of the area, your local mechanic. Just as long as it's documented, you're good. As far as warranty work being completed, you're able to go. This warranty is good anywhere in the nation. So if you move to, I don't know, Austin, Texas, and your car breaks while you live there, then you just take it to any ASE certified mechanic in Austin, Texas. There's no deductible, and you get your car fixed. If you're traveling to, Chicago, and you're on a road trip and your car breaks, you just simply take that car to an ASE certified mechanic and get your warranty work done. There's even a rental coverage, $25 a day, I believe, that they'll reimburse you for your rentals. So, and all this it's free. It doesn't cost you a dime. We haven't increased our pricing. You can look at the data on that. It's something that we do to set ourselves apart from the competition, and to say thank you for doing business with us here at George Gee. And our goal is to earn customers for life. So, all right, let's do a quick rundown. So, the warranty, no cost to you, absolutely free, covers you for as long as you own the vehicle, unlimited time, and unlimited miles. 2, you do not have to have your vehicle serviced here. Obviously, we'd love to have your service business, but it's not mandatory. You can have your vehicle serviced anywhere that you want, as long as it's an ASE certified mechanic and shop. Number 3, it's good anywhere in the nation. You can use this in Chicago, Florida, Texas, Nebraska, anywhere in the 50 states. You are covered. If you move, you're traveling, and you even have the $25 a day rental coverage. All right, guys, so there you have it, a complete breakdown on the George Gee Cadillac Kia. exclusive lifetime warranty. I hope that I answered all of your questions. If you do have any further questions or would like to speak to me about a vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 208-771-2783. Again, my name is Jed. Happy to answer all your questions. 208-771-2783. Have a great day, and I look forward to speaking with you. Bye.